What's up, guys? On today's lesson, I'm going to be going over the trade I took on gold on Monday that happened to make me over $700. And I'm going to go through how I found the trade, basically what I was thinking when I got into the trade, and yeah, just all that stuff. So let's get into it. So what I firstly did when I was looking at the charts, I was looking at the charts and I was looking at gold, and I saw we had a gold's been pretty bullish recently here. I mean, even on the 5 minute, you go back and it seems that gold just like has these small pullbacks and then it just keeps going higher and higher and higher. Like here, we have a little consolidation after this previous run. And then after this consolidation stage, we break the previous highs over here, and then we just rally. And I think we had news that day. That's why we did that. But then we literally just had a small pullback right after that, and then we rallied again. And then we saw highs, and now we kind of plateaued over here, consolidated a little bit more, and then the trend kind of reversed a little bit. I thought we were maybe going to come back and touch these previous highs over here, but we did not. And then I'm still overall bullish on gold, but then we had this nice pullback, and I was thinking, why would I short gold if I'm still bullish on gold? Because if you look at the 4 hour here, if you look at the 4 hour, it's pretty darn bullish. I mean, there's not really any signs of bearishness to gold. Uh, maybe there's a little bit of bearishness at the end of this gold candle right here that's about to close. It's currently Wednesday, so we're pretty much halfway through the week. Yeah, but let's get into how I found the trade. So basically, how I found the trade was I went on the 15-minute time frame, and I was looking at previous price of gold, and we had a nice run up, and then we created this nice fair value gap. I like that fair value gap a lot. There's a 4 hour fair value gap, 15-minute, 5 minute. Basically, this candle right here showed nice support, and I like that a lot. And then we had a daily on the daily time frame. We had a daily fair value gap right here, and basically what I was thinking in my mind is I went down to the 5 minute time frame. Where's that? There we are. I went down to the 5 minute time frame and I looked over here, and I was like, I wanted to get into the my like I just want to get in off this fair value gap right here where it's really strong right here. And as you can see, where it's really strong over here is where we wicked over here. And I liked that, and I liked how we wicked off of it after we had this downtrend, right? And we're coming down, and then we have three candles, green candles, and then one red, and then we wicked perfectly off of where I wanted to see us wick off of on this fair value gap. And as you can see, selling volume was decreasing as slowly as buying volume was starting to pick up. See, we had more buying volume candles right here and only one selling volume candle right there. But I liked all these back to back to back buying volume candles. Sorry. And that was basically the reason I got in, as I saw the fair value gap. I was bullish on gold. I didn't want to short gold because I know that gold's been bullish on the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly, and all those higher time frames. So I figured this was just a smaller pullback, and we're gonna continue to go higher. And I got in actually right on this candle right here. After we wicked up, I saw we broke structure. Right here, and I was like, okay, I like that. And then by the time I went to my trading platform and entered the trade, I actually got in right about here. And I liked the first few candles. I went down to the 3 minute and kind of observed how the trade was doing on the 3 minute instead of the 5 minute. And right as I got in, I liked that candle. I noticed that we kind of had some resistance at these previous highs of the downtrend, and then we consolidated a little bit, and then we went down and went back towards my entry. I only ended up being down around maybe $100 not $100, probably $80 right here. And then we kind of rallied up again, and I like that. And what I was thinking at this moment in time is I just wanted to break these previous wicks, like this previous wick. Because if we break that previous wick, I think we could definitely come up and see either these highs or for sure like come and see these, right? And just break through that, and I was just like, shit, we could come up and potentially touch these, and which occasionally we did come up and do that. I didn't leave any runners. I took my first take profit was right at this, like where these candles closed. I like that as a first take profit. So my first take profit was here, and then my second take profit was here on this candle right here. I got out on a nice candle because I was happy with my profit. It was a Monday. I was trying to start the week off good, and I saw like volume started dying down after this one push of a candle, which you can see over here is we had the green volume candle, and then we had three back to back to back red candles, selling candles with selling volume. So that's why I got in this trade. Yeah, I hope you guys learned something. And yeah, as you can see, the trade played out in our favor perfectly. Even after the trade, went in zero drawdown pretty much throughout the whole trade. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.